is addition and subtraction of fraction. First, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. Here is two methods. First, 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 we doing denominator same. So we multiply by 1 by 2 multiply by this denominator 3 plus 2 by 3 multiply by this denominator 2, up and down. Means 3 1 ja 3 by 6 plus 2 2 ja 4 upon 3 2 ja 6. Here is both denominators 6 and 6. So we take LCM, both are 6, so LCM is 6. Here is 3 plus 4, so we write 3 plus 4 equals to 3 plus 4 7 by 6 equals to 1 whole 1 by 6. When we divided 7 by 6, then 6 1 ja 6. One quotient and one remember, so 1 whole 1 by 6. This quotient is whole number, remainder is numerator, and 6 is also denominator. That is answer. Second way, here is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. We get LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. This is 6 divided by 2 3 times. Then 1 multiply by 3 plus here is 2 multiply 6 divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6. So we multiply by 2 quotient equals to 1 2 ja 2 plus 2 2 ja 4 and here is LCM 6. Then 3 plus 4 7 by 6. This 7 divided by 6, so 1 whole 1 by 6. This is one way. And other way, 5 upon 7 minus 2 upon 3. We doing same method by doing equal denominator 5 by 7 multiply by 3, up and down, minus 2 by 3 multiply by 7 this denominator into 7 into 7. 5 3 ja 15 by 21 minus 2 7 ja 14 upon 21 equals to 15 minus 14 1 upon 21 so 21. That is answer. This is two way to solving addition and subtraction. One way is doing same denominator and other way we taking LCM of both denominator. Both are same. but this process is easy for understand and doing questions. This also easy. We take LCM of 7 and 3. When we take LCM 7 and 3, that is 21. This 21 divided by this denominator 7. 7 3 is 21. So 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15, that is written here, minus this 21 divided by 3. 3 7 is 21, we subtract that 7 multiplied by this numerator 2. 7 2 is 14. We write here 14 equals to 15 minus 14, 1 upon 21. That is answer. This is the two way of this fractional addition and subtraction. We can do this question in homework. Multiply and divide of fraction. Simplify a fraction. Here is giving first multiply 21 upon 24 into 6. This number 21 upon 24, that is fraction, and 6 is not fraction, so we change this in fraction, 6 by 1. Then we doing multiply 21 into 6 upon 24 into 1, that is 21 into 6 126 and 24 into 1 24. This both number 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, means 63 upon 12. 63 divided by 12, 12 5 is 63 is remainder. So whole number is 5, numerator is 3 and denominator is 12. That is answer. This is multiply. When we divide this, then when we multiplying other numbers also, as like 3 by 4 into 5 by 8, means 3 into 5 upon 4 into 8. 3 5 is 15 upon 4 8 is 32. This is answer of this question. Both are multiply. But if you want to do divide, then (14 upon 32) divided by 21 upon 16 means 14 upon 32 into this 21 upon 16 will change. This will come up and this will come down. 16 upon 21. Then we check to cut across. 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21. Here is same number 2 and 2, so this will cut by 2, 1 and 1. Means 1 into 1, 1 and 3 1 ja 3, that is answer of divide. When we divide, the left side is same and right side will change. Next question we can see. One whole one whole 2 by 6 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. First, we change this both fraction in improper fraction. 6 1 ja 6 plus 2, 8 upon 6 divided by 3 2 ja 6, 1, 7 by 3. This fraction whose are in left side as remain same, which are in right side that we multiply and change this 7 upon 3, 3 upon 7. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Then we multiply 8 1 ja 8 upon 2 7 ja 14. 8 upon 14, this number will cut by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, means 4 upon 7, that is answer of this question. We can do this question by this way. This exercise 2.1 will homework HW exercise 2.1. This is over.